Most definitely one of the most complicated installs that I ever did. This damn Kia Bose shit. Hey, it better be worth it. Cause I'm telling you, I ain't never had to do nothing like this. Ever. I thought that this amp was under that front seat right there, so I took the whole damn seat off, started unplugging shit. Hopefully I ain't messing nothing up. But this is what you're gonna need to get to if you add that line out. It's pretty easy to pop off these panels with these screws. But I'm not gonna make this whole video. I just wanted to show the people. It's not this. At first I thought it was this. This is the driver's seat. It's not under the driver's seat. It's in the damn trunk. So go ahead and go straight to the trunk. Don't waste your time, like me. So I told myself I was not going to record this, but I know I'm gonna regret it if I don't do it. So here we go. I'm looking crazy right now. I'm looking homeless because I have not shaved. But right now I am disassembling. I'm going, my current inline converter is in this back panel right here, as I'll put a link to. About to install this right here because I'm tired of this damn Bose system taking my bass out. So we about to restore some bass with this active line out converter. My amp is underneath this seat right here, as you can see. So I'm about to get to that, take the seat out, and let's get it popping. Cancel. Hey, and by the way, this right here, when I tell you that this is so clutch, I'm gonna try to find a link to Amazon so I can put it in the description. This one right here, everything you need is in this damn case. All right, now I got the seat out. This right here is gonna be my workspace area. I'm gonna put that inline right there. But first, my previous inline is back here, so I need to take this shit out next. This right here is another tool that's crazy good, but I know, well, I don't know for a fact that it's not on Amazon, but I didn't get it from Amazon. I got it from Sam's. But it's just an electronic screwdriver with this little swivel head right there. But to take this piece out, all you gotta do is pop these little panels out, these right here. And it's 2 screws on both sides. I don't think this is a screw. I think this is just a cover. This right here is a fake screw. This whole piece right there is what came out. In order to get the piece out, just pull from the top. 2 hands on both sides. Of course I can't do it because I'm recording. But I don't know if I said this in my previous video, but this is where I tapped into. These lines that I tapped to is going to this sub right here. And this is the first passive inline converter that I was using, but that ain't gonna make the cut. So I'll put the color of the wires that you need to tap into on the screen. Negative is green and purple. Positive is the other one. So now I'm about to redo this. Pretty much I'm about to just run these wires to come out right here, so I can put that active converter in that little slot right there. I should have thought this out and brought a tripod, but I'm a rookie. So right now, I think in order to make my job just a little bit easier, instead of rerunning my signal wires all the way through and under and around the side of the car panel, I think I'm gonna just use my previous sub wire that's already ran and just tie in to my output from this amp. But this right here and this right here is another one of those premium, wait, let me show you out from the back. It's another one of those premium tools that I'm gonna have listed for you in the Amazon buyer. But all right, now I'm about to just resplice these. It's crazy to think that this amp is this damn small. Like literally this damn small. It's almost smaller than that the actual active converter. We gonna see in a second. This is damn near the same size as it. That's crazy. It's a good looking little combo though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, this right here is very important, by the way. This is gonna go from the main power into this power. Screw it. This power right there. And also the remote. The remote end is coming from my fuse panel. Might as well show this too. It's getting tapped in from this side over here. And it is coming from one that says module and one that says spare. And when I turn the car off, it turns off. It's been working just fine. So I don't expect it to have any. So I was wrong again. I actually had to run this wire again. I had to pop this off. And I had to which this is pretty easy to remove, but I had to lift this carpet up right here and run this damn wire, this wire right here, all the way through to the back. I mean, it wasn't terrible. I just wanted to skip that step. Another must-have. And we're gonna be on to the next, which is gonna be putting ferrules on all of them. All right, it's real hard to film this video, but hold on, give me 1 second. All right, this is where these come in handy. These right here. Now I have a ferrule on my wire. Wait a second. Like I was saying, now I got a ferrule on my wire. I'm about to go ahead and put this on there and heat shrink it. This ground is gonna be the same. Run into this right here. So once again, it's gonna be kind of hard to show this, but I'm gonna try to get to the point. So this wire ferrule, put that, I don't think it's gonna be able to focus on it because I'm using the front camera, but put that on there, bring your crimper, put that thing through there, set it on the lowest setting, because this is gonna be the remote turn on. Crimp that thing down, nice and beautiful, nice and beautiful. Do it again just to make sure. Beautiful. All right, so now all my connections are made, and I'm just going to reconnect everything. I had to use a jumper wire for these, but everything came out looking real nice. So now I'm just gonna reconnect everything and see if it powers on. Wow. So I just realized that the wire that I ripped out earlier, I actually need it, because now I don't have any speaker outputs going to any type of sub. So now I'm gonna have to retake this shit out. Nah, I can probably just run it through there because my back is already broken. All right, so everything is installed now. Fits very nicely. Still able to access all the controls. So now all I gotta do is put my fuse back under the hood, and we'll be time to test. But the test is probably gonna be in another video. I just put my fuse back. This is the way I mounted it to the battery. I don't think I showed that. I used some of that New Concepts wire. It's pretty fire. I'm not going to lie to you. You can see where it's running to. I didn't want to zip tie right here because this is the actual ground. And of course, this is the positive coming off the battery. So I'm just leave it with the wire loom for now. Had it installed for like 2 months and gave me no problems.